To say it's been a minute is an understatement. What's up, everybody? My name is Dan. We're going to talk about a quick little video edit today. I did a shorter one for you, probably find it on my YouTube channel, but we're going to talk about when you film something you're really proud of, want to put it up on socials or wherever. Maybe you film it in a higher frame rate, 60 or 120 frames per second, and then you notice when you put it in your video editor, it's got that little light flicker. Really annoying, and there's actually a really simple, quick change that you can do in your video editor. So we're gonna talk about that today, and let's hop in there right now. So we've got this clip in the timeline. You can see here we've got some flickering of the lights. Not ideal, but really quick and simple how to change that out. What we're gonna do, we're going to copy this clip. You do Command C or however you copy your clips. We're gonna bring it above, so we've now got two clips, one stacked above the other. What we're gonna do, let's scroll into this top one, and we're going to drag it over just by one frame. We're now going to line it back up with the clip. We're gonna go to the end of the timeline clip of that section. We're gonna extend it. So now we've got two clips that are slightly off by one frame. Now what we're gonna do is the above clip. We're gonna go into our opacity. We're gonna change it by about 50%. And let's review what we've got here. You can see by the lights, that flicker is gone. So you're just gonna wanna replicate this for your clips. It's really quick and simple to improve the look of your footage. And sometimes when we have that light flicker, it's not usable footage. So this is a way to ensure that your footage is going to be usable after. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. There's definitely some more uploads ahead. I'm really excited actually to get back to some regular YouTube uploads. I know I've gotten a couple messages on socials, so yeah, more to come. So if you've taken away anything from this video or you found it beneficial, hit that thumbs up. It really does make a difference for me. And if you're still watching this video, click that subscribe button because we've got some more tech tips, lifestyle, some fun stuff on this YouTube channel ahead. So stay tuned. Woo!